breaking, instead of breaking ground, we're breaking bread here. What's up, bread gang? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Happy Sunday, happy Monday, happy Tuesday, whatever day you end up watching this. Just happy day to you. I hope you're having a great day. We have absolutely been blowing up, you know, to my standards. I've got a video that's about to hit 14,000 views. Thank you so much. We've gained 300 or 400 subscribers in the last week. So to all of you that are new, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for hitting the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the like button on this one. I'm always doing new stuff. I'm always having fun. Welcome to the bread gang. Formally, you know, introduce you to the bread gang, the best, the biggest just group of people that love to get bread. I'm getting interrupted right now by the man, the myth, the legend. We're gonna get back with him in a second, but thank you so much to everybody that's supporting the page. We're doing really good right now. Make sure you watch the ads. Help your brother out so I can do more stuff to the truck. Don't skip through the ads. Watch through. Help me get some money. So I'm over here. Real quick before we jump into the title of the video, this is my Father's Day gift that they just planted for me. You wanna tell me about your tree here in a minute? I know they love you on the channel. You wanna tell me about your tree?
Let me get this socket for you.
Okay. So we'll get back to that in a minute, but I have made a couple changes to the intro and the outro. Look out for those small little changes. I hope you'll like it. But let's just dive into the video. But first, let's roll the intro.
Let's get this bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.
They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. About to get kicked out of Bojangles. So as you can see by the thumbnail, you know what we're doing today. I've got some new lights for the truck. I did reveal I do have the double row lighting trends, flow series, wheel lights going on in the next couple of weeks. Unfortunately, plans fell through and I am not putting the blocks back in today, but will be coming this week. But today, my beautiful woman of mine has supplied me with some. So as y'all know, I've been trying to, you know, find a couple new things to do. I'm trying to do a bunch of little things to the truck at the moment, just because I have huge plans for the truck. So I'm trying to tighten some, you know, some loose ends and get some small things done on the truck currently. So right now, you know, I plan on, if Lighting Trends, that's the company I'm working with right now. Shout out to Lighting Trends. I have their wheel lights going on soon. If they do tail lights and third brake lights, that's great. I'm definitely going to go with those. And also I do plan on getting some of their headlights at some point, so stay tuned for that. But until I can get that done, that bulb is out up there and I don't feel like replacing the whole thing if I'm going to end up getting a new one down the road. So I have bulbs for that and for the reverse lights. Now these are just an amber currently, wherever my keys are. Of course it didn't come on, but those are just an amber. So, but we do have in the box over here a bunch of little LEDs. Now these, I mean, these are, you know, lighting, super bright LEDs. They have a great quality, but these are going in here currently. If Lighting Trends, again, if you're watching this, if you make these, I'm definitely going to be hitting you up, because, you know, I'd love to work with you and get those done as well. So, but today, this is our goal, is to get these put in, and that's what Mr. Andy over there, my father, is looking for right now. He's looking for the little star pattern screw that goes in here. It should be just the 2 screws, and then it comes out and we can replace the bulbs, and it should be just a screwdriver for up there. So you see the shirt right here? I know y'all see the shirt. NC State, it's not just me. It's not just me, it's everybody.
You're gonna hold it.
We found the right screw, but he's going to find a handle that connects to it. So they're over here planting trees. So he wants me to look at me, that wide bow tie. Look what they got. Look, they got the white shoes, and I'm out here doing manual labor for them right now because. Oh, is this going in here?
Yes.
What?
Because there's a pipe down there. You can dig in that other hole.
Oh, we're not digging in this one?
Mm-mm.
Well, look, they got the brake pipes and stuff. This one?
Yes.
Oh, we're digging right here? We're breaking, instead of breaking ground, we're breaking bread here. See what I did there? Man, breaking a sweat out here, I'm telling you.
I don't remember how does it pop out?
Yeah, it should just pop out. There's like little clamps in there. So he went ahead and got started without me. They're gonna, you know, let's clear the air here. This is my dad, my biological. This is father.
Hello.
This is not a. They're.
You can edit later.
What? This guy. They tell me all the time about how this is a dad bought truck. That dad bought the truck. daddy's money kind of thing. And you know, he's a testament to that. He did not buy the truck, he does not pay for the truck. It is my truck. So he's not speaking right now, but you know, just a thumbs up. That's what it is. So for all of you out there that's, you know, team daddy's money, this is proof. This is a big moment. Oh. Well, got it out. But this should be our little bulb right here. We should be able to just kind of pop that like that. Give it a little twisty. Come on. A little twisty poo. Or maybe it just pulls out. Oh yeah, look. Okay, so here we go. So we've got our so here we have our LED versus, you know, the amber, whatever the hell, halogen, or it's not halogen, whatever the hell it is, I don't know. But we got our LED new one to go in. She did say one of these was purple, so we're gonna have to figure out which one's purple. But until then, ta-da! So I had the wrong bulb. It wasn't this one, it was the smaller one, but I've got that one switched over. It should pop on in just a second. So put it in reverse. Yep, bam, there we go. So there you got that one versus your halogen. I'm not gonna show you the install of the other one, but we're just gonna, you know, flip over straight to get them both done. And then we're gonna try and do that one afterwards. Okay, now that we have the two tail lights done, the main issue was the third brake light here, that the bulb had actually gone out, and this was what really started this whole process. So we're gonna take this one off and try and replace these bulbs real quick. I think the bigger bulbs should work on this one, but if not, I have more of the smaller ones. So, but you know, the other ones worked. That's gonna look a lot better. But eventually, like I said, the third brake light and the tail lights will all get replaced with something aftermarket, because they're really the only thing that's left on the truck that's not silver, black, or chrome. So I don't know if any of you out there have ever fooled with this before, but trying to get these bulbs out of the little twisting sockets is the most aggravating thing. Either I'm just not doing it right, or I don't know, but that's the most aggravating thing. Holy crap. But I'm gonna figure it out. Y'all are gonna love this. I'm making a YouTube video about how to do something, but I gotta watch a YouTube video to figure out how to get it done. That's what we're doing right now, is watching a YouTube video to make my YouTube video. Homeboy in this video said all you have to do is rotate it counterclockwise, but this is the most difficult thing to rotate counterclockwise in the history of mankind. So thanks for the tip, but no thanks, because that's freaking aggravating. But I'm not gonna show my difficult ways and stubborn ways in the YouTube video. I'm just gonna, you know, switch to the point right now where I got it done. So third brake light versus Alex. Brake light 1, Alex 0. Third brake light versus Pliers. Pliers 1. Third brake light 0. Pliers did the charm. YouTube didn't help at all. Mr. Pliers saved the day. Aha! The two taillight LED replacement bulbs in, and the third brake light replacement bulb. Hopefully it's not the purple one. If it's the purple one, I broke the extra one, so we're kind of screwed. But I'm gonna throw it in reverse real quick so we can take a look. Yep, so the brake light works now again, even though I did forget that it's a red lens and the LED isn't gonna show. But I do have the LED reverse lights now. That was a lot more difficult than it needed to be. Not the most exciting video in the world, but like I said, we are slowly but surely getting things done to the truck. I was reassured by Ryan, the hype video will be done by Wednesday, so if it's done Monday or Tuesday at any point, you'll have it Tuesday night. If it's done Wednesday, like he says, you'll have it Thursday night. But the wheel lights are coming sometime this week, hopefully, and putting the blocks back in. So, you know, I've got a lot of stuff going on, and the taillights and the third brake light are coming soon after that. So I got a lot of cool stuff going on with the truck. Like I said, I'm just trying to get some things, little things done before I, you know, get to the point where I'm ready to do all the big stuff again. I do want to redo the exhaust, maybe headlights, you know, maybe some more audio stuff, all kinds of different stuff I have planned for it. So again, thanks for stopping by. Make sure to like and subscribe. Y'all are the best. The support means the world to me. I love all of you so much. Make sure to take a little sneak peek at the outro that's coming. There are a couple changes to it. Shout out to my guy. Shout out to my guy that's in there. I'm not gonna name his name. I want you to go watch. But I hope everybody has a great day. Again, you wanna say it one more time?
What's that?
You wanna say it? Come here. Come here. Come here. She doesn't want to say it. He can say it. The people love you. The people love you. One more time. You got anything you want to say?
Let's get this bread.